We're cruising on the block, guys. What's up?
Hey, I bet you that's what. You know what? It's hydraulic. Hey, you know that straightaway from there? I got 80 down that straightaway.
No way. You weren't going that fast.
You didn't read the speedometer?
I didn't look.
50. I was going 80. Oh, Dad, I was going 80. I swear to God.
I better shut it off or I'm going to take off. I'm going to do a lot better.
You can't sell it, Bob.
I get $1,000, I would sell it.
Dude, I'd buy it off to you fucking almost.
I'm just saying, I wouldn't sell it for $1,000. I'd get rid of that for fucking 800. Then you get 300 for that motor. Then you got this, and then you got the fucking.
It almost sounds like a little race car.
Oh, that sounds good. It's fun to drive. I told look at these lights are pretty. I told it makes it fun when you can hear it. My truck had to fucking. I put those cherry bombs in my pickup. That 77 I had. I put cherry bombs in it, Bubba. That fucking you can.
You hear it again? You got here?
Yeah, oh, it sounds good.
Yeah.
I can do the tank, you know. You don't know how. I get out of here.
Yeah, you need to come.
I told him, the fire, worst scenario, fire from that. Hey,